Here we are at the birds.
Pretty bird.
What does a bird do? Is he talking to you? Is a birdie talking to you?
Pretty bird.
Pretty
bird.
5, 6, 7.
Hey, Jason, take your feet up.
Oh, opening 2010. They're going to have a kangaroo exhibit.
Oh.
Okay, we'll get you out. Daddy, can you get her out? The birdie's talking to Jason. Do it again, Jason. Say hi to the bird, Gabriella. Say hi, birdie. He's so cute, the birdie. Oh, he's coming to see you. Look, he's coming to see you. He likes you.
You speak his language.
There's 2 more birds, yes.
2 more birds. Did you see that?
Here he comes. Oh, he likes you, Jason. Look at him coming to you.
Talk to him.
He likes you. Say,
Talk to him. Pretty bird. Pretty bird.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get over by one of my mom.
A bird. A bird.
Yes.
A bird.
Pretty bird.
Baby bird.
Yes. You have a personality.
Do you like that bird, Gabriella? Do you like that bird?
He's definitely got a
A
personality.
bird.
Hello.
Isn't he cute?
A bird. A bird.
not really talking, but he's making noise.
Say hi, birdie. You like him. Hi, birdie. Hi. Oh, no, Gabriella, you can't go in there. You can't go in there, honey.
Two up there.
No.
Okay, let's say bye-bye to the bird. Bye-bye, birdie. Wave to him. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, birdie.
Are you making a play or what?